What is up, my butter biscuits? So in today's video, I thought it would just be really fun to do a little bit of a haul, because y'all know hauls are very rare on my channel because mama is broke. To do a haul of everything that I purchased with my stimulus check. Now, I really hope that this is not like tone deaf, because I do understand, obviously, we're going through a rough time. A lot of people are losing their jobs, not working, unemployed. However, if you guys know me, y'all know that I've been broke for quite some time. I've been very, very blessed, obviously, to have my YouTube platform, to be able to work from home during this time. So like I said, I really do hope it doesn't come across as tone deaf, but I'm just really excited to be able to purchase these things because y'all, like I said, I've been broke for a long time and I really just don't splurge on things. If y'all have been on my channel for a while, y'all know that. And these are just some things that I've actually wanted for a long time. However, I'm just like, I don't have the money to buy them. But with this extra money, I was like, okay, this is money that I didn't have and it's meant to stimulate the economy, obviously. So let me go out there and buy some things. And I'm actually really excited to go over these things with you because if y'all know me at all, y'all just know, okay, that I'm just like, I don't buy expensive things. Like literally the only thing that I like spend a lot of money on are like either electronics or like skincare. That's it. Not clothes, not even high-end makeup, nothing like that. So I do have some high-end things in here that I'm actually like excited to talk about because it's just not normal for me to do this. Because obviously I don't make a lot of money here on YouTube. This is my main job. I do dedicate my time to this. However, you know, I don't get that many views, so therefore I don't get paid that much, but I'm not complaining because I'm doing the best that I've ever done on YouTube, so I feel like I'm growing and I'm getting there. One day I will, you know, eventually be making the money that I hope to be making, but I know it takes time and I know it takes a lot of work, so with this extra check, y'all, it was like a blessing, you know, because it's just money that I didn't have, and I just am like, you know what, let me buy some things that I normally wouldn't purchase because I just don't have the money. And this was just like God's way of saying, here, just buy it, y'all. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, just sitting down and talking about the things that I purchased with my stimulus check. So let me know what you guys bought too, if y'all splurged a little bit, because I saw everybody was going crazy, and I heard, I don't know if this is just like a rumor, that sales were actually up. Internet sales were up during the pandemic, during the quarantine period. Everyone was just buying things from online, and when they got their stimulus checks, the sales just went up. So y'all let me know what you guys bought because I know y'all be splurging out there too, just like me. Anyways, y'all, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And let's go ahead and get into the haul. All right, y'all. So this is actually, you know what, the last time that I did a haul, I think it was the day after Christmas because my trashy old haul that nobody asked for, y'all. I literally went crazy going to Walmart and Targets because the day after Christmas, all their holiday sets are 50% off. So like Irish Springs, you know, the 3-pack, it'll normally be like $10 for a holiday gift set, and it'll be $5 for like 3. And if y'all know what's up with like Irish Springs, it's like $5 for 1 bottle. So the fact that you get 5 for 3, that was my last like haul because I just went crazy with that. I think I spent like, okay, look. Yeah, I'm sound real stupid. I spent like $150, okay? But it was a lot of stuff, so enough for me to actually do a haul. And y'all, I know that's real cheap, and that's why I titled the video. I was like, a haul that no one asked for, because who cares to see after Christmas, you know, sell items? But to me, I don't know, I just had a lot of fun purchasing those things, and, you know, you always need soap. You always need to, you know, try to smell clean. So I was just really excited doing that, and I'm actually really excited to do this too. So I'm going to start off with an item that I have wanted. Y'all don't even know for the longest time. Like when I tell you the longest time, I mean years, literal years. I just never had it in me because look, let me just say, I'm sure you guys already know this, like I literally wear Walmart t-shirts in every single video. All of my friends talk trash on me because I literally hang up my Walmart t-shirts, and when they come over and they see my closet, they're like, why do you have that hanging up in your closet? I was like, those are my good shirts, and they're like Dickie shirts for $7. Like literally, I just don't spend money on clothes. So the fact that I spent this much money on a pair of shoes, y'all, I'm shook. But okay, so I got the Yeezy Boost 350s. I have wanted Yeezys for the longest time. When I tell you, and I am just like so excited to have got these because for the longest time everyone's like, oh my gosh, they're the best shoes, they're so comfortable, they're so amazing. And y'all, let me tell you, people are not lying. Straight up, I got these charcoal color ones. I do wish that I could have gotten all black, but you know, Yeezys are really, really hard to get. So this is what they look like. Like obviously I've worn them, so they're dirty. I've literally been wearing them every single day. These were $220. Y'all, I'm not kidding you, when I wear these, I do feel kind of dumb. Let me be really, really honest, because these shoes, $220, y'all. I wear no boundary jogger pants literally everywhere I go because they're so comfortable, and they're just black and they go with everything. And they're literally $10. And like I said, I wear Dickie shirts from Walmart that are literally $7, and then a $220 pair of shoes. Like, I know a lot of people are like, oh my God, like who spends that much money on shoes? I never have. The most money I've ever spent on shoes is Doc Martens, which was like $100. And that was breaking the bank to me. You know, I was like, this is really, really expensive to be buying some Doc Martens, but to be buying some sneakers that are $220. Look, this was the time to splurge. I was just, you know, living large with that $1,200 check. And I was just really excited to get these. And I do have to say, after purchasing these, I'm like a huge fan. And if he ever comes out with like some all black ones, I absolutely need to get those. Oh, you guys, these shoes are so comfortable. When you walk, they kind of like bounce up. I guess it's because of this Boost sole thing. Oh, when I tell you they are the most comfortable pair of shoes that I have ever owned, I genuinely mean it. And honestly, you guys, straight up, I felt like everybody online was lying because it's Kanye West and Kim Kardashian. And I feel like everyone's like, you know, sucking up to them. Like, oh my God, these are the best shoes ever. They genuinely are. They are so, so comfortable. If you guys have the money, highly recommend them. I have no regrets purchasing that because, oh, I love them. They are just so comfortable. So I'm really excited to have gotten those. I've wanted them for years, but never could afford them. And now I could. So I love those. Okay, the next item on the list, you guys already know that I purchased these. This is actually, I should start off with this first because this was the most expensive thing, then the Yeezys. My AirPods Pro. These are something that I've wanted for a long period of time too, and I'm not gonna lie, I like used to be like, oh my God, who needs those? They're so useless. Like, wired ones are so fine, like they're great. And y'all, as soon as I got these, I get the hype about them. They're so cool, they're so convenient, and I really, really love that you could ping them, obviously, because look, even though the wired ones have a wire, and you would think like, who's dumb enough to lose those? Me. I literally lose my wired ones all the time. Obviously, you can't ping those. These, I use that feature so much because I'll take an AirPod out and I'll be like, oh my God, where did I put it? And you just go on the little app and it pings them so that way you can see where they are at. The noise cancellation in these are amazing. So when you want to drown out some sounds, these are great. And I actually just love the features of them and everything that they do, and having Siri just in your ear, just say, hey Siri, and bam, it literally just does everything that you want it to do. I absolutely love these. $250. I do have to be a little honest, like with these, I'm kind of like, I feel like they should have been like 150, maybe 175. I don't know. I just feel like, as much as I love them, I have to say that the Beats, okay, those are wired, so maybe that's why. But the Beats, Power Beats, I had these Power Beats that were like the LeBron James version that were black and red. The sound quality on those is literally like 2 times better than these, and I got those years and years ago. So I would say the sound quality of these is not the best. Like, I like some bass in my ears, and these just don't really have the bass, but the features are really, really cool, and I actually love them and take them everywhere with me, and I wanted them for a long period of time. But like I said, $250, I was kind of like, ugh. Like, I really feel like, in my honest opinion, like me keeping it real, I'd be like, they're really worth like 150 to 175. 250 I feel like is really overpriced, but it's Apple. But overall, I really do love them. I just think that the quality, the sound quality, it needs a little bit more bass. It needs a little more oomph. Like the sound quality is not the best that it can be, but maybe in the future they'll come out with some better ones. Obviously, they're just starting out, and you know what I'm really hoping is that they, since they own Beats, that they get a better quality in here. But yeah, I really love these, y'all. And the reason actually why I'm making this video is because I was talking about this Marc Jacobs bronzer in another video, and someone had commented on there, they were like, give a broke dude a stimulus check and watch him buy expensive makeup. And that literally is what inspired me to make this video, because I was like, oh, low-key, I kind of did go on a little bit of a shopping, you know, spree with my check. And this is something that I never wanted to purchase, because I mean, I've always wanted to purchase, but I never wanted to purchase because it was so expensive. This this Marc Jacobs bronzer, $49. You guys, though, and I mentioned this a couple times in different videos and on live, it is absolutely worth the money. I know when you think about it, $49 for a bronzer is really expensive, and I thought the same thing for years, but I guess I was just too dumb to actually do the math, or like, I just didn't think of it to do the math. This is actually 0.8 ounces, which is 0.80 ounces, I'm sorry, which is 25 grams of product. So if you guys know me and watch my if you guys watch my tutorials, you guys know Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC is actually my favorite thing to use as a bronzer. That's $34 for 0.30 ounces. So two of those is $64, and you still get more inside here for $49. So for the longest time, I'm like, oh my God, $50 for a bronzer. But then as soon as you start thinking about it this way, this is going to last me way longer than two MAC Mineralized skin finishes, because it literally has way more product inside here, and it's actually cheaper. So when you think about it that way, this is expensive at first to purchase. You know, obviously, if you're a little broke and you're like, oh, you know, I like my high-end bronzer, which to me, my high-end bronzer was $34. This right here, think about, you know, $50. It's going to last you way longer. I really love this bronzer because it's very, very neutral, and everything, even my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, as much as I love it, it does pull orange on me. This is neutral. I absolutely love it, and I will purchase this again for sure. Okay, and the next thing on the list is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 4 palette. Now, I know actually I just filmed a video about Anastasia Beverly Hills / Norvina being shady, but I do want to say, first of all, I purchased this before that. Second of all, you guys know that I'm always preaching cancel culture is just so toxic to me. I'm not about it. I do feel like a brand or a person, you're always going to make mistakes. It's about how you learn and grow from them. That really matters, and I'm really, really hoping that they do make the situation better with Taj, who they did really, really dirty when it came to her working for them and creating content for them. So I'm hoping that they make the situation better. But I will be honest, a lot of people do tell me that I'm a little bit too optimistic. I tend to look at the glass more half full than half empty. But I'm just hoping that they do make it better, y'all. We all make mistakes, and I'm hoping that they'll make it right, and I do feel like they will make it right, hopefully. Anyways, this is the inside of the palette. Just in case you guys did not see, I'll put a link right up here so that way you guys can check out my full tutorial and review on it. I absolutely love this palette. The color story, absolutely amazing. So gorgeous. I literally love every single shade in here. I think this is actually my new favorite over Volume 1, and if y'all know me, Norvina Volume 1 is literally like my jam because I love purple so much. But this one right here, oh, it's so amazing. But anyways, yeah, this was what was it, 54 bucks or something like that? I forgot how much it was, but love it. Okay, and next on the list, which y'all already know, like I always say, I am very, very opinionated about Huda Beauty. However, I will always say I get 40% off of Huda Beauty at Namies because I'm a pro member there. And y'all, 40% off, like I said before, it'll make you want to buy some things. This palette right here, my friend always raves about it, and I was like, I absolutely love the color story. It's so funny now that I have this palette out and the Norvina one. They're kind of like similar colors in there, but I purchased this palette and I've been playing with it, and I absolutely love it. You guys, Huda Beauty, I've said it before, she could be a little shady, she could be a little grimy, but she does make good products. I actually really like her eyeshadows. I love her foundation. I think some of her products are really good, and I also purchased a lip strobe, which I could not find, and I was going to put that in this video as well too, and I really do like the lip strobe. It is a little bit too thick, but the pigment is amazing. So yeah, I actually really like this palette, and y'all, I think it's like 52 bucks, but I paid like 30, I think, for it after taxes or something like that. It was like 30 bucks, but yeah, I thought it was a really good deal, and the color story is amazing. All right, y'all, and the last thing on the list, which I've already talked about in my skincare favorites video, is this trio right here. Hopefully I don't drop any of these, but this is the Glow Recipe, like, was it called like Favorites or something like that, from Sephora. And y'all, all three of these products I'm in love with. This is actually my second one of the Watermelon Glow Mist. I will say I got so duped. I think I talked about this on a live video. I paid $28 for another one of these, and I thought that this was going to be a bigger size than what came in this trio. So for this trio, it's $45, right? So I paid $28 for this, and I'm so dumb because I'm almost out of both of these products right here now, and I could have just spent an extra, what is that, like 17 bucks and got the full trio. I literally thought this was going to be bigger because I went through the other ones so fast. But you guys, I don't know if you guys know this, my forehead is very acne prone, and I was talking to somebody on live or in the comment section, I forget where, and I was like, what's an AHA? And this has an AHA in there. I spray this on every night before I go to sleep, and y'all, my forehead has not broken out since I started using this. I don't know if it's the AHA in there, because somebody did tell me that it's like an acne fighter, but this has really been working like miracles for my forehead, because that's where I'm really acne prone, and I have not broken out. Y'all, now that I said that, I'm gonna break out. Every single time I say that, I break out. Every single time I jinx myself. But it's been really, really great. So yeah, this was the other thing that I bought with my stimulus check, and I absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. But get the trio. Don't be dumb like me and get just the spray for 28 bucks. Spend the extra 17 and then get these other two products, because this sleeping mask, Oh, it is so bomb. It makes your skin look so good in the morning. And this right here, the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Y'all, if you have red skin, this has really been helping me out. I absolutely love it. And I'll buy the full size of that one because I love it so much. Anyways, y'all, sorry I ramble so much, but it's very rare that I actually do a haul because y'all know I'm broke. And I just, you know, and on top of that too, like not only am I broke, but I'm finally getting my finances in order to actually start to have a savings, you know? And that's been a long time coming for me, and I just don't splurge on products. So I hope, like I said in the beginning of this video, that this wasn't tone deaf because of what's going on in the world. I'm just really excited to have this extra money that I obviously didn't intend on having, so it was just like, might as well splurge with it, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all, let me know what you guys purchased with your stimulus check, if you guys did purchase anything, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.